Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wayfair account for order history step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type www.wayfair.com in the address bar and hit enter. Wait for the Wayfair homepage to load. Locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the first field. Type your password in the second field. Double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you want to stay signed in, check the Remember Me box. Once everything is filled out, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the page to load your account. After logging in, navigate to the Account section. Click on Order History from the drop-down menu. You will now see a list of your past orders. Here, you can review the details of each order. If you need specific information, click on an individual order. This will open more details about that order. To log out, return to the Account section. Click on Sign Out to securely end your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.